Hey everyone, welcome from the Stock Index Trading Room. I hope this finds you well. As some of you know, I've been in a little working vacation, been in Wyoming for a few months visiting my daughter and her family, spending time with my granddaughter. And it's a nice thing about trading for a living. You can do this from anywhere in the world. This morning, we had this lecture. I'm going to show you pretty much what we do with our lectures in the room. We had this lecture and we were talking about compressed order flow areas and how we position ourselves in front of some explosive moves. Okay, it's pretty cool. Let's make this legal. And then we'll look at our chart here. Again, this is the ES. You can do this with any market. If you want more information about this idea, please visit our YouTube channel and look at our webinar offering the science behind market expansion, why markets move, and sometimes why they seem to move faster than other times. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at this indicator, Trap Trader Oscillator, which Rob has constructed and refined and continues to work on and develop for 3 decades. This is a 4th generation of TTO, and we're going to show you how it gives us advanced notice of future price movement and how we can position ourselves in front of that. So what we're going to look for is we're going to look for compression, not so much in price, but in order flow. Okay, so in this structure, sure, price is going sideways. And sometimes it just means, the market is going to go to sleep. Wasn't the case here. And when we have this specific read on the right side of the panel here, and I'll show you in a minute exactly what that means, we don't think the market's going to sleep. A lot of traders look at price bars and try to trade price bars, and we understand that. This is a read of order flow, and since order flow leads price most of the time, using something like this would get you in front of future price breakouts. So we have 10, 12 patterns, as many as you would like to learn and apply with how Trap Trader Oscillator is giving us advanced order flow reads, and then we get breakouts that lead price. So this would be an indication where we would anticipate, we don't know where the market's going, but we would anticipate order flow would be breaking out to the downside, and we would expect it to lead down, which of course is what it did for a very nice trade. Okay, now this is just an ABCD pattern with leadouts. We see a lot of these. One of the things you'll notice is that our structure algo, when the market hits that and reverses, the market tends to go down, tends to go down, tends to go down. So finding these order flow compressed patterns against resistance doubles our chances of being successful in a trade. So now here's our probably the room favorite. We call this a reverse Batman, and I'm going to come over here for effect. Okay. And what this is, if I can do that, there we go. What this is a, it's an order flow trap. Just an order flow trap. So the market is going red, green, red. We're on a red background, so we would only trade this in a short manner. We would only look for sell signals. So what happens is that we have selling, buying, selling, right? And the buy Trap Trader Oscillator order flow read was a breakout up, but we're not going to do that on a red background. Immediately we get Trap Trader Oscillator coming back down, breaking through order flow resistance and support. What happens when a market breaks through resistance and support at the same time? You know the answer to that. And then we get a pivot retag. You've seen our work on that. Pivot retag with a rocket, and we blast off. So we in the room, we're looking for situations that tell us explosive moves are most likely coming. Those come from compressed order flow reads more than compressed price bars. See, we see compressed price bars over here and nothing much happens. We don't have order flow compression. Here we have order flow compression and the market takes off. So now we have, let me show you what we do at this point. I'll pull up our smart trade markers. And we'll mark our signals, and then we can sort of look inside that and learn how to manage this for maximum benefit over a long period of time. So this obviously is a sell signal, so we'll come up here and we're going to sell that. Okay. Let's see if we can find any more of these today. Here's a pivot retag with a lead out. This is my personal favorite signal. Reverse Batmans. Here we go. We'll sell that. We'll sell that. Oh, we've got another sell right there. Now, I went ahead and marked these so we're not fumbling around looking. I'm gonna, here's a reverse Batman. Double order flow breakout. We break through support and resistance. This was toward the end of the day. But those are our compressed order flow reads that then break out. We're matching color to get maximum benefit. And then if we bring our smart trade markers over here for the day, for those signals, this represents 1.2 point and 5 points. You can trade it any way you want. We're not saying trade it for 1, 2, and 5. Obviously, if 1 and 2 are both 100%, you probably wouldn't do one. And this is pretty standard for months. This signal starts in our favor almost universally. So profit factor is hard to explain. $313 were represented every time this traded today, trading it this way. Past results is not indicative of past performance is not indicative of future results. But anyway, so this signal from 11 o'clock on generated for the people that were trading it, however you would trade it. You might trade, you might just trade one lot for the 5 points and had a really nice day. We're giving up 15 ticks. We're taking 20 ticks 80% of the time. So a huge advantage for us in our trading. So that's the way we do it in the room. We'll pick something every day and we'll spend time with it, and we'll go over the day before and how that performed. Our members are responding incredibly well to it. They're loving it. So this was Friday, September the 20th in the Stock Index Trading Room. And if you want more information, you can send me an email, StockIndexTradingRoom@gmail.com, or come and join us. Go to our website, StockIndexTradingRoom.com. Short video there, nice discount at the end of that. And come and join us, and we'll teach you how to get these as well. So on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell and all the world-class members in the Stock Index Trading Room, this is Steve wishing you only the best in your trading.